Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. So, it's a beautiful day here in Jamaica. I'm just parked up really quick. I'm just gonna share something with you guys. Like, generally I think as a person, I'm normally a person of my word. Like, if I say something, like, I'm not gonna say something that I can't do. I just don't like the whole idea of it, and I don't like when people do that to me. That's why I'm very aggressive when it comes on to time and etc, etc. But of course we're human beings and we don't always follow our core mandates when we, you know, whatever. So anyway, like the other day, someone wanted to set up an appointment with me, so they sent me an email, and I read all my emails, pretty much every single email I read. Like, I don't know how people have like 300 and odd emails. Even if it's promotional emails, like I still just open, read, leave my mailbox pretty much empty. But anyway, I read the email. She asked me to set up an appointment for her. When I checked my system, I couldn't find her, so I was just like, whatever. And that for me and my part wasn't good at all. It wasn't professional either, isn't me? And it's not like I didn't try to do my job. I did do my job, which is to try to set up an appointment, but it didn't work out. But irregardless, I should have still, you know, said, hey, you know, I tried, but etc, etc. And can you believe I met back with this lady maybe 2 or 3 weeks after, and she wasn't like upset, but you know, she was like wondering, like, you know, why didn't I not email? Because she's been trying to, you know, book a session with me, and it's so difficult because, you know, my time slots are always, you know, booked out. And I'm just thinking about it, that sometimes we feel like the small things that we don't do is not really a big deal. It's like, whatever, man. Yeah, so what? I didn't call because I was leaving out. Yeah. But everything in life, they call it the butterfly effect, pretty much. Like, it's a ripple effect. Like, anything that you do, no matter how small, it still affects people. So pretty much why I'm even saying this is because I told you guys that in February I was gonna get the shirts done. And of course it's because, like, you know, I had some other stuff doing, but now it's March and I want to get it out of the way. So that's what I'm doing today, pretty much. I'm gonna head to that LP. Oh, that's why I never did it, because I remember I did go to the LPSR place, not the LPSR, but the Carby's place, as you saw in the vlog, but it didn't work out. Now I'm actually going back. I'm gonna start the first step. I'm gonna buy the shirts today. Unfortunately, I can't really talk with you guys on the way to say, hey, what color you want, you know, whatever. I'm gonna buy the shirts today. Then when I get back home, I'm going to call a company for them to tell me what's the price to do the printing and whatever, and I'm gonna get the shirts done. However, I am going to go back on my word with one thing though, because before I was saying, you know, I'm gonna give the shirts to this, I'm gonna give the shirts to that person, blah blah blah. I'm not gonna make it that easy. I'm really not gonna make it that easy for the shirts to be given away. I pretty much have an idea. I've, you know, spoken with a few people, you know, gotten their feedback on how they think the shirts should be, you know, distributed or what should happen. And I think their ideas are pretty solid, as well as my thinking as well. So yeah, you go there, so watch the vlog, see what go on, and I'll fill you guys in. Also, the design of the shirt, I'm gonna change it. I'm sorry, I'm gonna change it because for me the design is a lot more sentimental now, because Judah went and printed that design for me, easy me, and it's kind of a little bit deeper for me right now. Like, maybe in the future I will do that design, but it's not gonna be the first designs I'm gonna do. I already worked on another logo and whatever for it, and it's gonna be pretty cool, I think. So yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna start driving and let's get it. Out in a halfway tree, I might buy lane plaza, but I'm going over the swing gate plaza over there, so the carpet's there. Yeah, sunny day in Jamaica, traffic, now wait for cross the road. Like I had less chicken. Just yeah, I know. So we'll make it cross safe and sound. Everything good.
Authorities are investigating
pretty much just reach.
I'm
gonna pretty much ask somebody like what shirts are good for printing and so I can go. Alright, so we pretty much find some good ones. So for a decent pricing is like $3.75 per pop, which isn't so bad. Oh, I'm sorry, 400 plus tax for this. So alright, and you know Blackfoot in 300.
Ringo was accompanied by his wife Barbara at the palace and said he was quite
also the round neck them is 300.
Sir Paul McCartney, who was knighted in 1997.
I'm not even sure you guys are gonna like the round neck ones. I think I might go with the V-necks. I'm not sure. I'm gonna call Judah real quick. So right now we pretty much get some dark colors, but it's in small. And they're unisex, so they can work for both male and female. So I need to get like maybe 3 more medium ones to start out, see how the printing go. And then yeah, I don't know, but I think when it comes down to printing, like, the most difficult part is actually buying the stencil. Once you pay for the stencil, then you can always just come back, buy a few shirts, carry to the printers, easy. So I don't really worry about printing more. I just want to pretty much like a test run, see what it's like. But I'm trying to find some mediums in these, and yeah. Guys, just being in here, like there's so many promotional stuff like caps and stuff. None? God damn. Alright guys, so it's a complete change of plans. We're gonna work with a grey because at the moment, you know, them only have like grey in the small and the medium. Because Carby's thing them always sell out, isn't it? So I get some good service and something organized. I know someone might be wondering, you know, what's the big deal? I can get it in 2 colors. With the printing, I'm not so sure about the stenciling in terms of like switching the color. So I can't really go with like a light and then go with a dark, and then I end up having to buy 2 stencils, if you get what I'm saying, because the color's gonna be different. So I want to go with something where I don't have to be paying extra. If it's the case where I can change the colors in the stencil, then that's perfectly fine. I can always go back and print in different colors. So I don't remember. I printed with logo switch like years ago, maybe from 2009. So I'm not too sure in terms of the details. Medium. Alright, can I get 3 mediums in this, please? Alright guys, so I pretty much just got back into the car, and yo, I'm so happy that I checked the bag, because when I ordered small for the females and I ordered mediums for the males, but bro, when I put on the medium for the male, it literally felt like I was wearing like an extra small condom on my body. It was horrible. So I switched those over to large, and yeah, so the whole deal is, as I said to you guys before, I don't really know how much I'm going to be printing. I'm not going to print a lot because it's going to be too expensive. So what I'd rather doing is just to get the stencil first. The stencil is really important. Then from there I can just always just go back to the printer and just be like, yo, I need X amount of shirts for this, or blah 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 blah. So that's the deal I'm going to be doing it as. Yeah, I maybe need 2 shirts for myself and thing, but I'm gonna go to the gym. It's just across the road there. Get a quick workout. You see me? I'm trying to do that whole workout thing. Like, I'm not killing myself, but I'm being a little bit more consistent. But yeah, under the quiet, I take that into my thing. You see me? So pretty much I gotta take my black ass back over there, because the gym used to be up there. That's how long I haven't been to this particular gym, because Express Fitness has, you know, different locations. Me and Matt used to go this one in Crossroads, well, in Halfway Tree. So it's back there behind Wendy's, I said. So I don't want to really walk so far from my car, so I'm gonna go over there, and hopefully the gym is still there. All right, so pretty much got over to the next mall. It was maybe like a 2-minute walk, but I drove. But this mall is a lot better. I think this mall has been refurbished. It looks really clean in here. So I guess they made a good move, because maybe the rent was cheaper, or maybe the space was bigger. But that space before, it was just like, it was average space. It wasn't as big as my original gym that I go to all the time. So yeah, let's get it, baby. All right, so here we go. I wonder how big it is inside. Maybe it's like really big, I don't know. All right guys, this one is definitely, damn boy, you look good. Look at the boy in there. I'm joking. But anyway, this one is a lot bigger than the other facility. The other one was like really small, so this is definitely a good move. And like they have another gym that they opened up recently, like another company, I won't call their name. and everyone is jumping to it. Well, a few people. I'm not gonna be one of those because, for one, here is a little bit more affordable, and two, they have locations everywhere. And it's one thing I don't really understand ever about Jamaicans is like jumping from one bandwagon to the next. Like, there's no way businesses can actually really develop. I can understand, however, if you're with a company and the company ain't crap, then of course move towards something that's better. But when you keep jumping to like everything that's new, you're not so sure if that new business is ever gonna be like sustainable or whatever. You see me? So, but so far I've been really happy with using Express Fitness. Customer service has always been good, especially at the Platinum Club that I use. I like that one, and yeah, people actually remember my name. Like every time I come in, it's always like, "Yo, what's up, Steven?" Yeah. I'm a little bit upset right now because I think this facility feels a lot better than the Platinum facility that I'm paying more for. I mean, well, then again, they say when things are new, it always feels a lot better, so whatever. But it's good that I have the access to this one. I'll come here sometimes when I have business, like in Halfway Tree, which is next to never. But yeah, I'm about to get my clothes sorted out. Alright guys, so I pretty much got a pretty decent workout. Personally, I don't think I really work out for long. I work out for like 45 minutes. Sometimes when I go in there, I leave before a person started in there, so I'm like, god damn. So maybe, I don't know, I'm not even gonna think about it because I'm not gonna talk about it. I'm going to the gym every day and not go, so I'm gonna shut up about it. But yeah, I was at the gym actually and I saw one of my subscribers. That was really cool. You know, because honestly, there's a lot of times I'm on the street and people just looking at me and they're looking at me like, it's like I know I'm ugly, like, but like, goddamn, you know what I'm saying? So it's kind of good, like when someone is looking at you and then they go, and he actually come over to me and it's like, yo, Baee Camera. That's like, yo, you see me? That was pretty cool. Big up yourself, bad man. What else? Yeah, so I'm gonna probably go to Island Grill, get something to eat, and maybe just end the vlog there because I don't really have anything much doing today. Yeah, I pretty much just remembered I actually have to go pick up some dog food. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna switch the dog food over. I'm gonna switch it to a different brand. What I had them on was I think the most economical brand that was in the store, but I'm gonna go just one scale up more because they're not eating as much right now. When they were a bit younger, they were eating like 2 times for the day. Now it's either they're bored of the food and they want to change now or something. But like whenever I change the food, like when I cook meat and stuff for them, isn't me, they gobble that shit down. And I think they're going through another growth spurt at the moment. And don't mind me, sometimes for some of y'all wondering like, why am I talking about dogs? Like, I have so many different kind of subscribers. I really and truly can't, like, how can I say it, facilitate everybody. Because some persons are like, oh, do more PB videos. Some persons are like, ask me questions about my dogs and all that crap. Then you have some people are like, oh my god, I can listen to you talk for the whole day. I like people like that. I can sit here and just talk crap. But that's what I'm gonna do though. I'm gonna get some dog food and hopefully they like it. I don't know, for those of you who don't really understand about dogs, just like human beings, they can't really like do a rapid change of food. Like you can't really switch things on it really too quickly, or else they can have like stomach issues, like digestive issues and all that crap. I hope this doesn't happen to them because it's gonna be kind of a quick change. Because what I really wanted to do was to get that current bag that I have at home to like maybe like a quarter, and then gradually mix it in with the new food. Now I only have maybe 2 days worth of food in that bag, so I must still do that mixing process, and hopefully it does work and everything is, you know, pretty good. Go through, soldier. I was trying to give that guy the way, but traffic got me. I was pretty much trying to give that guy a bly. I don't know if you guys don't know Jamaican terms, but bly means like the go ahead. I did it just now and I pretty much got stuck in the intersection because there was the traffic, so I pretty much blocked other persons from coming in. It's kind of funny because it's similar in life. Sometimes you're trying to help someone else and you get the over. So yeah. Like I was just there in the intersection just looking like this. Matter of fact, I was just not looking in no one's direction because like I didn't want anybody to be like, you know what I'm saying? I was like, I'm not looking at nobody. It's so funny that I'm thinking of changing to Purina. And look what it says. It says, change a bowl, change a life. My dogs are gonna be living their best life. Hey guys, don't know, they're back in my favorite place. Like legit, can't wait till one day God bless me, where I have my own land or my own house. And I'm just coming in here and just, me and my wife just picking stuff out, you know what I'm saying? I like that whole decorating and construction stuff. It's really cool. Well, here what happened now. Guys, I thought the Purina or whatever it is, that one is like 5 grand I think, but it's not 50 pounds, it's like 32 pounds. So I'm like, yo, that even made no sense. And when they were puppies, I bought that one for them and they never liked it at all. So I don't really want to spend that amount of money and they don't like it, and they murder eat the heroin. So, I don't know, I'll just go get them meat along with this as well, because yeah. So I go pretty much try to see if I can find actually, because whenever I go start getting honey, not this time around, but like in the future, it's gonna be too heavy to lift them up. Because like, if you guys don't know, a big box of honey, like one box of it can weigh easily like 80 pounds, and that's gonna be heavy. So I go check around here so I can see if they sell it, so in future if I need it, I can get it. For those who are confused, look at this matter. You see me, so the box them can go up on it and just push it through. You see me? And the bad kind, you know, the bad one we can actually ride upon like it's a cat. You see me? Can flip down and thing. But yeah, not so bad. But I'm not getting this one now. I don't really need this because I'm not getting that amount of honey. And I've been looking around for something like this, pretty much a kind of microfiber cloth to use in my hives them to help with like hive beta control. I'll show you guys in another vlog still, but pretty much whenever these things get really fuzzy, the beetles go in there and then pretty much can't walk out. Easy me. So I'm gonna look into this thing here. You know what I like sometimes is like knowing that I need to get something and just start searching for it until I end up finding like something which is like the best material that will actually work at a decent price. So this seems good.